Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add new fonts on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the personalization tile and then select fonts on the left side. On the right side, you can drag and drop fonts you may have downloaded onto your computer in here, or you can also search for available fonts through the search menu and then actually add them by selecting the font, and then you can add them directly to your device. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.